Today we're going to talk about this. You've seen this in our homes, in our kitchens, in our offices, when we are traveling. This is a water heater kettle. I know you know it. You have at least seen it. You've not used it. We're gonna open this and see how it operates. Now before this, I'll have to, of course, show you, or you know it already. This is a stainless steel, I think, and this is a plastic cover, obviously to prevent us from burning ourselves once we have plugged in the socket. Right? And of course we open it here. It's a company's product. I don't know whether there's a name here, Skyline. It's called Skyline. This is a red LED indicator. A red LED indicator. Yeah. So we close water, we put water, close it like this, and we hold here. We don't hold here when it's burning. It's electric water heater kettle. Electric. This one you put into the socket. I know you can see it. 1, 2, 3. Hold on a minute. You can plug it somewhere like here. Like this. I have to be careful. This is electricity. Yeah. Or is this? And once I set it on, it be on. Very useful indeed when you don't have gas or you're in a hurry. Yeah, it's very useful thing. I know you know it. So I'm going to open this and see actually what is inside. What is inside? What is hidden here? How does this thing warm water so quickly? So let's do it. I'm going to open it from down here, since the rest is just housing of the water. We pour water here, just housing. The whole stuff lies here, and this is just a connection. So let's open it. I won't be able to show you this. I'm unscrewing this. I want you to see everything. These are screws that are holding this together. You see what I'm using to open? It's called pechkas. So let me try to take off the screws. It's still holding. They're holding. I've taken one off. The screws are rusted. It's proving to be very difficult to remove them. Guys, I'm not coming off easily. There's stuff here. This is what's happening. I'm just removing it and it's going inside again. It's a bit of a struggle here. I think alignment is not okay here. The other one came off easily. It needs a magnetic screw. This one, let me try this one first. Yeah, actually it has come off. No wonder it was not coming, it was not properly still. Okay, so we have struggled and opened it. It's quite a mess of wire there, wire mesh. Now this is what it looks like inside. Okay, so let's try to see what these wires are about. I have to show you this stuff. This is where the wire is, this one main, the one that goes to the socket. There are 3 wires there. Actually, yeah, 1, 2, 3. This one's, I don't want to be able to see them properly. Yeah, you seeing them? I'll try as much as possible to show you this thing. And let's start with this one. This wire. This, let me hold it. This one. It goes here. Because this one goes this way. I'm trying to show you this wire. I don't know if you follow my finger. It's going inside this wire. Let me take this one off. Now you can see it. Oh, you can see this wire. This wire, this is a face wire, AC face wire. This goes inside here. Here we have a relay. Okay, it goes inside here to the relay, and through the relay it goes here. It goes here, and then goes all the way to this point. I don't know what you guys can see this. To this point. To this point. From here through the relay inside here to this point. This is element, the thing that burns. And then you have another wire which also looks similar. This one goes to the ground inside there, deep down. Here is the ground. It's attached to the ground. Okay, so we have this one. This is face. This is ground. I hope that you know what ground is. And this one is neutral. So there are three wires: face, ground, neutral. This is neutral, the one that is showing blue. And the green one, the one showing green here, this one is a face. And the other one is not shown, it's totally white. This is ground. Okay, and then we have this one, this thing that lights here. You see red. Once you put it in the socket and switch it on, it comes red here. This is the wire for the indicator. There are two of them. Yeah, there are two of them, one red, one black. One red, one black for the indicator. And they are all going to the elements on both sides. The black is going to the left side, and they are both red and white actually. But there are these two wires. You can see them, they are going to indicate. And then we have this, another wire is here below. This one is off on, switch off on. This one, on off switch. You switch it off when you are putting on off. Here. Okay. So this is the whole thing. This is how it looks, and this thing is now the heater. So the element itself is connected. You can see this thing. It's connected here and here. These elements, and this is how it works. So the face wire, this one brings the power, AC, electricity. It goes to the relay. The relay, I think, plays a important part of it. Switches off when this thing overheats. That's the work of the relay, which is here, inside here. When the element overheats, and yeah, it's automatic, like sensor, something like sensor. It senses when the heat is too much. At a certain point, it switches off. You have seen, of course, you must be have experienced this if you have used this. Yeah, I think the rest is just the container itself. There is nothing else. This is a plastic, and this is a container. I think this is stainless steel, and this is a plastic cover. I think it may be Kevlar here. This might be Kevlar or something. Hard stuff, and it protects you. So this is what that's how it looks inside. Yeah, guys, that's how it looks. A mess of wires, but they all have importance here. They play very, very important parts. As you see them, there's a lot of physics here, a lot of physics, a lot of engineering here. And this is a back cover. This one, there's 3 screws, rusted screws, because the water must have gone to them, and what is an electrolyte. It reacted the atmosphere and sort of become rust. Yeah, guys, this is the capacity. I don't know how many liters there are. It's not shown here. Can I tell this? It's written max 150. You turn it upside down, maybe. Is it 150? No, this is opposite. It's like this. It's max 051. I think this is just a serial number. And there are these two screws here which holds here, and two screws here. And you can actually open it from here also. Yeah, you can remove this, but I don't want to take that. We know what is there, just wires. Yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to show you, so that when you are using this, you know what is inside here. You know there's element there. In this case, this is like, I don't know what element this is. Looks like a big metal, I don't know. It's a big metal. Oh, it's magnetic. I don't know how a magnet here. Yeah, I can use my no, it's not iron, it's not a metal. It cannot hold to a magnet. So I don't know which metal this is. So this is a magnet now in my earphone. Let me use this key. What do you mean? I don't know. It can. Yeah, you see it holds here. That means there's a magnet here. And then I place this magnet against this element. Actually, there's nothing, no attraction there. Yeah, it's holding here where the element, where its connection is. So it is, maybe iron is here, and maybe there's a coating on top of iron. That's what I guess. This element is coated with some chemical, something on top. Maybe because at this end, the element that burns here, where is it? Here, this element. I put a magnet, it holds. This one, it holds here and here. But if I put here, it doesn't go. This thing goes round like this. It's the same thing, continuation. So it means there's some coating on this metal here, maybe to prevent it from burning these wires. Because this is a dielectrics, it's plastic, it can burn. But it's exposed here, and here you can see at this point where it's exposed, there are no rubber wires around it. It's just at the tip end, the last end, here and here. This is where the heat is generated. Okay, guys, this is all I wanted to show you today about this thing, very famous electric heater kettle. So we know what is inside. You know now what is inside. This is what it looks like inside, and I'll explain to you what this is. Okay, I've told you what this is: indicator, phase, ground, neutral, and off on. Okay, guys, this is all I have for today, and stay tuned. Share, like, comment. Hope to see you again. Bye. Bye.